Jarvis, stop alarm. I'm getting up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, it's 6:30 a.m. The outside temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, heat index 29 degrees Celsius. Sir, please wake up.
Okay, Jarvis, I'm getting up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jarvis.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Wake up, Jarvis.
Online and ready.
Jarvis, what is the time?
It's 11:38 a.m.
Jarvis, what is the date?
June 9, 2021.
Jarvis, play music.
The song has been started, sir. Enjoy the music.
Jarvis, stop music.
Okay, sir.
Open dictionary.
Sir, what do you want to know?
What is the meaning of compatibility?
According to my database, it's noun, a feeling of sympathetic understanding, capability of existing or performing in harmonious or congenial combination.
Thank you, Jarvis.
You're welcome.
Jarvis, where am I?
You are in Kathmandu, Nepal.
Jarvis, take a screenshot.
Okay, sir. What should I name that file?
Anything you like.
Here is your screenshot.
Close this.
Closing.
Close Chrome.
Closing.
Open Notepad.
Launching.
Editor mode.
Editor mode is on, sir. Please give the editing commands.
Jarvis, type hello world, this is Jarvis.
Done typing, sir.
Thank you, Jarvis. Jarvis, close Notepad.
Closing.
Exit editor mode.
Okay, sir.
Open the Wikipedia of Spider-Man.
Okay, sir. Wait a second. Sir, here it is.
Read this.
Okay, sir. Peter Parker and his 5A redirect here. For other people, see Peter Parker, disambiguation. For the comic book series, see Spy-Day, comic book. For subsequent versions of the character, see list of incarnations of Spider-Man. For other uses, see Spider-Man, disambiguation.
Jarvis, what is artificial intelligence?
According to my database, it's now the demonstration of intelligence and creativity by computers, the branch of computer science that studies, develops and assesses this phenomenon.
Jarvis, close Chrome.
Closing.
Jarvis, you need a break.
Okay, sir. You can call me anytime, just say wake up Jarvis.
Bye, Jarvis.